So basically, as you guys are aware, that metros are basically public infrastructure project, comes under the assembly category of building as per NBC. And in the metro rail, we have majorly two segments. One is above the ground and another one is under the ground. And in third case, where there is a land related issues, the in the underground where the utilities are there, and overground there are some high tension wire or some very dominating high tension wire lines are there, then in that case we need to go for the at grade level on the ground level on the roadside. So this is how our metro terminology works around. So basically in this particular part I would like to touch upon how the sustainability can be achieved by the modular approach. So basically modular is more environmental friendly approach. In today's world, some countries like China and US and to name a few are using this kind of technology to reduce the time spent in the construction and time saving procedures. So in that case, the ability of this particular technology is significant waste reduction. So basically by adopting the modular design approach, we can reduce the waste, and it can be a mass production system where most of the element of the designs are predefined, pre-designed and pre-coordinated. In that case, we touch upon following point as mentioned in the presentation, like significant waste reduction, low carbon footprint emission, the ability of reusing, reproducing, great energy efficiency, mass production reduction, cost aspect and time aspect. And let me go again. So based upon March 2022 article by McKinsey and Company, the world will see a once in a lifetime wave of capital spending on physical asset. So as we can see that the population is growing on a higher pace. So in due course of time, there will be a lot of construction load in the entire world. So that load, to mitigate that load, what is the quality measure that we can follow? So in standard time, if we are going to construct a metro system, it takes around 5 to 6 years for a elevated metro to fully function, being a fully functional. By using such kind of technology and precast system, we can reduce from beginning to the end, we can reduce more than 50% of the time. So by reducing the time, we can put more infrastructure in the less time frame. In that case, we can become sustainable for the longer run. So this is how the sustainable parameters are working. So just a glimpse of two buildings I kept in my presentation to give you an overview. This picture belongs to Thompson River University. And in this, the area is 43,184 square feet, which is a huge area. And the construction tenure is 158 days. So we can see the significant amount of time reduced to achieve these kind of aesthetically appealing infrastructure. By the way, this particular image is being taken from the McKinsey report, where it is being mentioned that this building is being constructed and being operational in the more than less than 7 months time frame, which is evident that if we construct such kind of infrastructure in today's world with the historical technique, that will going to take around 3 to 4 years. So here we have reduced the time by 80%. And due to reducing time, we have also reduced the number of manpower, number of site hours, number of incidents. So if we reduce the time frame, we can also reduce the safety related risk and hazards. So again, there is one more example of uh, Hong Kong based MBS building, permanent modular hotel. That is a hotel building, and the area is around 89,000 square feet. And you can see the time frame. uh, with such a huge area. If we are going to take an example of Crown Plaza, Delhi, which took around more than 6-7 years to construct and being functional, which is even lesser than the area of this particular building. And if we can see the area of this building and the time frame which took in the construction time, it took less than 2 years time, which is a remarkable achievement by achieving this kind of aesthetically appealing building. So we can say by putting the modular technology, be it facade, be it services, be it interior part, be it a construction site point of view, be it from the safety security point of view, be it a site management point of view, be it a uh, loading, unloading, material related. So from the top to the bottom level of the construction point of view in the infra project, by using these technologies will reduce the significant amount of time, energy, and will provide a more niche infrastructure where details to be taken care at a different place with a pre-coordinated manner.